Hey everyone, welcome to this module. Walter here. So in this module, it's all about onboarding essentials. So what we're going to cover in the following tutorials is setting you guys up on Google Analytics, downloading the interface, setting that up, and then downloading the editor, and lastly, linking your interface with your Google Analytics account. So these are fundamental tools in the whole process of managing and monitoring your ads and how they affect specific strategic objectives in your business and in your e-commerce website. So if you haven't already, Google Analytics is one of the market leaders in website monitoring and tracking. You can see rates of traffic on there. You can measure conversion goals. You can get all sorts of insights on your audiences and also most importantly, see whether or not the money you're investing in advertising on Google is leading to conversions on your website. So the first thing we want to do in this tutorial is get your website set up on Google Analytics. So if you go into Google and type Google Analytics to begin with, press the first link that appears. You'll come to this landing page. Now Google is super user friendly and all we need to do is follow these steps in order to create a Google Analytics account. So go ahead and press sign up here. And what will happen is you'll be taken to a new landing page where Google asks you to fill in specific details about your account. So I have already pre-populated some of this information, so I've decided to call my account name Darwin's Place. The specific website is going to be the website for the free SEO guide, so I'm going to go ahead and paste that here. And then, oh, it doesn't want the HTTP, so just get rid of that. I'm going to go ahead and select the industry, so I'm going to choose education, if that is a jobs in education. So I'm in the UK at the moment, so I'm going to leave that as the UK. And then I'm just going to go ahead and accept all these recommended settings by Google. And once you've filled this information in, go ahead and press Get Tracking ID. And from here, Google's asking you again to accept some T's and C's. So I will accept this from Google. Scroll all the way down. That's fine. Additional terms applicable to data shared on Google. All of this is fine. And once you've ticked this, you go ahead and press accept. And once you've done that, Google loads. And what it'll do is create a tracking ID. So just press no thanks. Okay, so we're in Google Analytics, and what you need to do now, and if you don't know how to do this, I recommend going into YouTube and looking at the videos there on how to insert this tracking ID, this code, into your website and assign it to specific pages. And you can also assign these tracking codes to specific goals on your website. This is a whole different technical skill that is sort of beyond the remit of this course, but there are loads of videos on YouTube that can help you do this. So once you've gone ahead and created a Google Analytics account, insert this code into your website, and then we will be ready to move on to the next stage, which is creating the Google interface account where you can start creating some of the ads to drive traffic to your website.